welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you a beginner's makeup look that you can wear at night if you're attending any party. So without further ado and much rambling, let's get started. So before I start my makeup, the first thing that I do is exfoliate. I exfoliate my face and I exfoliate my lips. I have nothing on my lips, they are pigmented, and I have nothing on my face, nothing on my eyes. So let me go ahead and get started. First thing that you need to do when you're applying your makeup, if you are a beginner, is a primer. The primer will hold the makeup for a very long time and it will prevent oxidization. So I do not have any primer at this point in time, so I'm going to use aloe vera. It does the same job. So let me go ahead and apply some aloe vera. So to apply my makeup foundation, I'm going to use this sponge. I'm sorry, it is pretty dirty because I have been using it and not cleaning it. So I'm still going to go ahead and use it today, and then I'm going to clean this bad boy. So the foundation that I'm going to use is Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade Soft Tan. So I'm going to take this much, and this is already soaked in water. So I'm just going to gently take it from here and dab it on my face and then blend it. You can see it has blended pretty well with my skin.
I'm going to apply a little bit on my neck as well, so that there is a symmetry there. And on my ears.
So the foundation is done. Now I'm going to set my foundation, and for that I'm going to use Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me Medium Deep. I'm in the shade 30. For eyes, I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris Maxi Maximalist palette, and this is a very basic palette that I have. I do not have what do you call that? Any applicator for applying this eyeshadows. However, I'm going to use my finger and apply it on my eyelid. I'm going to keep it pretty simple because this is a makeup tutorial for beginners, and I don't think so as a beginner I would like to go ahead and use smoky on my eyes. I would like to keep it pretty plain and simple. So I'm going to use this color. So I'm going to apply it all over my lid like so and blend it well. I'm going to use this golden color underneath my eyebrow and in my inner corner. Now to highlight my eyes and make my eyes look bigger and brighter, what I do is this water liner, I use it on my top eyes as well, on the upper eye part, and after that I use the eyeliner on top of it, because that way the liner stays for a very long time. So after using this kohl pencil as an eyeliner, I'm going to now use a liquid liner on the top part so that this liquid liner lasts for a long time. This is how my eyes look right now, and like you can see, they are hooded eyes, yet they look pretty awake and broad. So after this, I'm going to use something which is like a holy grail. I swear by it. This is Flora tint by Benefit. This is like a tint. You can use it on your cheeks, you can use it on your lips. So I'll show you how to use it. It has a doe foot applicator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tint, apply it on my cheeks, and then blend it away. See, my cheeks are looking red, however it has a very natural look to it. It's not artificial, it doesn't look like, over the top. So this is something that I always reach out for. And the next and the last part is lipstick. Now if it is a night look, I would recommend any pink. Go ahead and use a purple or a pink or a magenta color with a blue undertone. So I'm going to use today, because I'm wearing black, so I'm going to use this lipstick. It is from NY Bay, number 8. So I'm going to apply it and I'll show you my look. So this is my finished look. As you can see, it looks pretty natural. You can wear it. You can use this kind of makeup if you are attending any party at night. I have teamed it up with this black polish earring. Now if you have eyelash extension, please go ahead and use them. They look extremely beautiful. Use the lashes that are natural looking, so that it's not like bam on your face. And I don't have any, so unfortunately I could not wear any. Otherwise I would have applied some fake lashes, and they look extremely beautiful. And please also keep in mind that I'm not a professional makeup artist, so this is what I know and what I have learned from YouTube. So this is just a beginner's makeup tutorial. I hope you like this look that I have created for you guys. This was requested by a couple of my friends, and I hope you guys liked it as well. So with this, we have come to an end of this video, folks. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, do not forget to hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video, you are notified. And I will see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.